I'm going to show you a few different ways you can add text animation to your slides. I'll select this text box and then I'll go to Animations and I'll just choose Appear, although you can choose any of the animations. And then by default, since it is text, PowerPoint assumes that you'll want to show one agenda item at a time. And if we go to the slideshow and I'll click on Current Slide, and as I click the mouse button, the trackpad, or the space bar, it moves through the text animation for the agenda. When I'm at the end of this slide, it automatically moves to the next slide. Now this slide has a heading and a subheading. I'll hit Escape and I'll select this text box. I'll go back up to Animations. I'll choose Appear and notice how this time it grouped the heading and subheadings. I'll go back to Slideshow. I'll play From Current Slide. And here's another example of text animation.